Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit TikTok caption. So go for your TikTok account, go for your profile and select the video which you want to change. So I'm selecting this one. So go for now here three dot option. Then here you can see edit post option here. So click on it and now you can edit your caption from here. So I'll just edit this and go for done. Now you have to just click on save. So it's done. So okay, you can see it's now edited. So guys, this is how you can edit TikTok caption. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.